Cute. So, oh yeah. Okay, 240 Okay. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ It's so cute. Yeah, so don't eat inside, but drive-up service. Alright. Alright, so we don't have a good place to eat, so we're gonna have just a picnic on the back of the truck.
This is a grilled pork.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it tastes very good. Sweet a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, the model just have but a lot, yeah?
Yeah, a lot. Whoa.
Yeah,
Chicken.
hot too.
Wow.
Yes, feel very hot.
Oh yeah, that's a lot too.
Yes, a lot, like a whole chicken. Yes.
Okay.
And next is our favorite.
Is that the insect sauce?
No.
Oh, okay.
This is the sauce we give for us for free, remember?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh
like
yeah.
Spicy
the vegetable
sauce.
one we
yes,
use? Oh, okay.
Yes, right. But today they not have like a boiled vegetable to serve with, just the sauce.
Oh, okay.
The main course.
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice, hot.
Yeah, hot.
Yeah.
I just stopped to eat in front of this pretty temple here.
It's good.
So here's like the sweet pork. Notice it has like a lot of little like pepper and sesame, and but basically it's a little bit of a sweet flavor. It's really good. In Thailand also they eat a lot of pieces of chicken that we don't really eat in America. One of them is like the neck, and this is something that you're not going to find at home, but it's actually very good. It is full. If you look inside it has a lot of bones inside. It's more something you kind of gnaw on than you can just eat very easily, like a chicken breast or something, but it does have a lot of flavor. Oh yeah, this guy cute. Hey buddy. How's it going? He's happy. He'll get more chicken from us for sure. I just want to show you how awesome this chicken is. I know it's not nice to show you this, but trust me, you'll love it. It's been cooking all day. It's amazing. Alright, there's one more dog here. I've got one more piece. And I think too shy to come. Hey, buddy. Hey. Here you go. Here you go. There's a shy one. But cute. See you later. Just wanted to give you a closer look at the temple. And these here are basically like spirit houses. And the Buddhist idea is that your ancestors can come and visit these, and you can make offerings to them. Like you'll see like you know, water and food. There's a particular spirit that brings kind of prosperity, and you'll see people giving like red cups, like cups of red liquid, like Kool-Aid, and that invites a special woman spirit that helps watch over your business. So I think Cancun's in the truck already, enjoying the air conditioner, so here we go, let's get to the next place. Hey guys, so we're on the way to the spot that we chose on the map, but we just pulled over to the side of the road. I don't know if you can see her, but we found this spot that's just so pretty and so cool. We decided we're gonna take a look, and we're gonna show you. So let's check this out. And over here, you can actually see these guys are burning their field. But yeah, cool place. You let us go or no?
No,
Oh,
because not just have them, have a people over there.
Okay, can I turn around up here?
Yeah, I can turn, I think so.
Okay.
ขอกลับรถหน่อยค่ะ maybe อ๋อไม่ต้องเข้าตรงนี้โอ้ไม่ตรงนี้ก็ไม่ได้เดี๋ยวหนูกลับตรงไหน He move first ขอบคุณค่ะ
So we drove to a spot that has like a waterfall and some different things, but it was actually closed off because of COVID. And I backed into the gate when I turned around from the checkpoint. So I gotta check. I think it's not a big deal. I bent their gate actually, but I just want to check my tire. Let's see here. All right, looks okay. Oh, lucky. Cool. The truck got luckier than their gate, so. But anyway, they're really nice. Not a big deal. They actually bent the gate back. I think I wasn't the first one to do it, to be honest. I guess Cancun is hidden in the forest out here somewhere. You okay, honey? That's funny. Every video she used the bathroom. Very funny. You okay, honey? Hold on, look.
I'm okay.
What you doing, honey?
I find a fruit.
You find any fruit in there? Did you
Just a vegetable.
did you find anything
I
here?
don't like.
Hey, here you go. Oh, you don't like? You found the vegetable?
Yes, and I don't like it.
Okay. Okay, so I found this kind of cool temple. I'm really not even sure if it's open. And you hear this guy honking. He's honking, that's what people do here with the temple. But I'm not sure if it's open or not. So, but there's nobody guarding the place or anything like that. So, do you have masks?
Yeah.
Okay, I have one in my pocket. I think no one's in there.
Yeah, no.
Okay. All right, ready? Sometimes I drive by these places and think I really want to see what it looks like up close. Hey, what you doing?
Get the fruit.
Really?
Yeah, we tried the fruit.
Remember? Remember when I told you you can never take the Thai out of a girl?
มะยม
Mayom, aroy mai?
ส้ม
Som. So I said, is that delicious? And she says,
Brio.
she says sour and brio mean not a lot of taste.
That's เปรี้ยวเลย
Oh, brio. What does brio mean? I forget.
Oh wow, this is really Thai.
Oh, really?
Yeah, not have a lot.
Oh, it tastes good.
Not really bad.
A little bit. It looked like you were happy for a minute.
No,
No.
don't go back.
No. Get more.
No.
Go pick them all and we'll go sell it at the market. We'll sell it at the market for our money for dinner, okay?
You know why have a lot of statue put like this?
No, here, tell me. Teach me.
Yes, and
Hold on, hold on.
people.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's gonna teach us.
People want to respect like you know the temple around the lake in Japan.
Uh-huh.
The same place we call like a Lak Mueang, you know, the place the first people who protect this city.
Ah.
And have a lot of statue of chicken, of elephant, of the horse like this.
Uh-huh.
Because of maybe the people who stay here, maybe people who pass this way,
Mhm.
come to back something for him, the good spirit here, and you get that.
Ah.
And it's like the promise you have to give back for this place.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's it.
So this the place that protect the city?
Yes, like we call Lak Mueang. Lak Mueang mean like the center of the city.
Ah.
Everyone we come to respect when have festival or something like that.
Oh, cool. Good job, honey.
And one home for this place.
Yeah, she's always explaining things to me and it starts to make more sense. So she said that this is the place that protects the city and that's why we have like soldier statues and police statues and chickens, I guess, because they can attack people. I don't know. But starts to make a lot more sense now that she's explained it. In a more modern tradition, of course, since there weren't always cars here, is that people honk when they go by. I kind of hate that, to be honest, but yeah, pretty neat. And so this is very likely the statue of the first person here, and so their spirit protects the city.
Yes, this guy have a history about he is one fight for this area, this location. I don't know how to say it, like this city. Yes, and he brave to fight with the enemy. Yes, and people just make him his statue to respect how he brave.
Ah,
Yes, I
nice.
just read this.
Does it say how long ago?
Not tell that.
Doesn't say how long ago. Well, I'm glad we pulled over, and it's interesting to learn and see this stuff up close. And so it's getting dark, so we're gonna head back toward the main city, just head toward the house, and if we see something interesting, we'll stop by too. But it's definitely fun here, interesting to stop by places that we normally just drive by pretty fast.